Good morning. So I am here at a restaurant. I'm trying out a Ghanaian dish. It's called Kokonte. I've never tried it before. This will be my first time of trying it, and I'd like to give you guys a review of how it tastes and also show you how it's made.
Guys, it will be such a joy to hit 5,000 subscribers in this month, so please do well to subscribe because I can only achieve that target with your help.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is going to be fun for me as well because I'm getting to try a new food I've never tried in my life before, and I want to take you guys along. So I'm here at the restaurant right behind me. I think it's called La Chef Catering Service. Let's go in and see what Kokonte is like.
Just a quick one before we get started.
Hello, good morning.
I don't know the English name. What does it do? It's a full of blood. It serves as blood. Normally, when you prepare it in palm nut, it's very nutritious. I'll take off the nuts, and then when you leave the broth deal, I will sieve it. So when I sieve it, I'll take off all the particles. Get the oil. That's hot water, right? It's hot water. I don't want it to be. Sometimes when you use cold water, you find it difficult to bake it. Okay. No.
Yes.
Okra soup that you're preparing.
That's okra. We've prepared the stew.
Oh, so you prepare the stew separate
Separate,
from...
then you boil the okra, pour inside.
I see, okay. Wow.
So this is a mix. It's a cut okra.
Okay.
Plus ademe. That is a
Type of leaf.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
a green leaf.
Okay.
It's called ademe or youuuuu.
Okay.
Yeah. You put them together.
So for how long will you cook it like this?
Before it's done, or it will be on fire for like 10 to 15 minutes.
So you have to keep doing it like
Yeah. It gets a time I have to lower the fire so that it will not
pour out.
Yeah. Then if you leave it, it will just pour out.
Yes. Adam Rivia Dabe, I remember the new abo. A diabe ya papa, Sane Rade. Asha Suwo, look with food. Obi wo prampa papa. Ediabe ya medidi ya. Anana medidi papa manu. Ediabe no worry in the me. Amama kumefiano. Oh. Makumabo. Awara su omune.
So this is palm nut soup, guys, and the way it's boiling, you can tell that it's going to be very tasty. Yes. You can feel it.
You've not eaten the food and you can feel it.
She said you can feel it.
It's like flour. But it's cassava. If you dry it, then you take it to the machine to mash.
Okay.
So you mill it. And before we prepare to turn it into kokonte.
Okay.
It's cassava.
Cassava.
And it's dry cassava.
So we're going to try it out. It already looks amazing. I have the little guy in the back. He's smiling at me. You're supposed to wash your hands before eating this because you don't use anything. You use your hands to eat this food. In here we have Kokonte, we have Yayy, we have tuna, and we have, I think, goat meat, and then okra soup. This is palm nut soup as well. So I'm going to try this for the very first time. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do because I feel like it looks good and tasty. So we are taking the first bite. So this is what it feels like. It looks like plantain fufu. That's what it feels like. It's very soft actually. So you're just mixing this. Wow. It tastes very good and it's very soft. Woo! It's quite hot. So let's take a bit of that okra. I love the texture of it. It's very smooth, so it goes down well. Wow. This is heaven sent. I can eat this every day. Oh my god. The okra mix and the palm nut soup is divine. First time trying Kokonte and I am in heaven. Let's try the tuna fish and see. Woo, super hot. So this was the tuna. that was added initially. And oh my goodness, this stuff is really tasty. Really salted, very tasty. I really love it. Wow, this is a true delicacy. I just love the taste of the Kokonte, it's called. It's made from cassava flour. So we're going to have I think this is goat's meat. Ooh, it's really hot. And we also have wele in here. This is wele, cowhide, and I think I'll take a piece. It's quite soft. This is cow meat. Super tasty. It's so nice, guys. Oh wow. So let's try the wele. It's really soft and tasty. Wow. Guys, I'm so full and I haven't even started. Can you see my bowl? I have this much food left. I'm already so full. I can't go any further. I can't eat anymore. I highly recommend Kokonte and palm soup. If you've never tried it before, make sure to try it. Wow. Divine. That was an amazing experience, guys. I mean, the food was tasty. They were so nice and friendly, and they allowed me to go backstage into their kitchen, which was really nice of them. And the food was really tasty. So that cost 8 cedis, that entire bowl of food, which, as you could see, I couldn't even finish it. So yeah, it was a good experience. I really enjoyed it. My first time trying Kokonte. It was amazing, guys. If you've never tried Kokonte before, I think you should give it a go whenever you come to Accra. It's really delicious, guys. I mean, it's super nice.